In the application of Gaussian data, there are widespread challenges including a lack of semantic labels, difficulties in extracting complex ground objects, low efficiency in batch annotation, and challenges in refined management. LiDAR360MLS V9 launches the Gaussian Intelligent Individual Object Editing Tool. Equipped with the PVS point selection feature, centered on visual segmentation, it enables accurate extraction of complex ground objects with a single click, greatly improving the accuracy and efficiency of individual object segmentation. Integrated with the PCS text feature, it can identify similar ground objects in batches through text-based selection, eliminating the inefficiency and tediousness of manual frame selection. Powered by multi-tool collaboration, it can assign custom semantic attributes to Gaussian data with one click, easily completing accurate semantic annotation of ground objects.